If you're broke in 2026, it's not because of artificial intelligence. It's because you're not using it strategically. AI is not the enemy. It's exposing who refuses to adapt. Every major shift in history created two groups: the ones who complained and the ones who learned the new system. Right now, AI is the new system, and most people are still using it for entertainment. They're generating memes, asking random questions, scrolling through content. Meanwhile, other people are using AI to build leverage. They're learning faster, automating research, improving their skills, launching side income streams. The tool is the same. The difference is discipline. Here's what strategic use actually looks like. Using ChatGPT to research high-income skills. Using Canva to build simple digital products. Using AI to analyze markets instead of guessing. Small actions, stacked consistently. Here's what that actually looks like in real life. Let's say you work a full-time job. Instead of scrolling at night, you spend 30 minutes using AI to study a high-income skill. You ask, what are the top 10 skills paying over $100,000 per year in 2026? Then you narrow it down. Sales, digital marketing, automation consulting, data analysis. Then you go deeper. What does an entry-level data analyst need to know? You get a roadmap. Free, structured, immediate. Now combine that with finance. Instead of guessing how to invest, you ask, explain index fund investing like I'm a beginner. You learn about diversification, compound growth, long-term strategy. Then you open a brokerage account and consistently invest $50, then $100 every week. That's leverage, not hype. You can analyze markets faster, write better, plan smarter. But none of it matters if you don't act. AI does not replace ambition. It multiplies it. The uncomfortable truth is this: in 2026, information is free. Skill development is faster than ever. Execution tools are everywhere. If you stay stuck, it's not because opportunity disappeared. It's because focus did. The people who win in this decade won't be the loudest. They'll be the most adaptable. They'll stack skills. They'll understand money. They'll use AI as leverage, not as entertainment. AI won't make you rich, but it gives you leverage. And in this economy, leverage is everything. AI won't make you rich, but discipline, applied consistently, will. Subscribe.